clearing it all out. Which it is. He's on his own digger. Clean it all out. This is what he does. He does this for his own purpose. A John Deere you are. Very nice. Once was a driveway, but now it's not. Used to be a half driveway, this one. Tony's dad put it in his own driveway. And now this person has claimed it. Put the trees in and all. So it's very hard for us to get out. It's very nice of these people to do these sort of things.
Come on.
And it's council's property. Council's property, and yet we're allowed to do these sort of shit. And the council is the Shire of Yarra Rangers. Yet they say you're not allowed to do anything. But you're allowed to do that. Interesting. I see. Okay. That'll do for now. See you on Instagram.